Hello and welcome to the first lesson of our new series, English for Beginners. If you want to be fluent in English and wish to sound natural, then this video is definitely going to help you. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to ask and answer the most common question in English. We'll also look at some conversations and pick up some useful language that we can use in our daily life. In addition, I'll share with you some pronunciation tips that will help you sound natural as you speak in English. So let's get started.
Hey Anya, how are you?
Hey Abhay, I'm very well. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Dave. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
This is Natasha, our new HR manager.
Hi Natasha, pleased to meet you.
Hello, Mr. David. How have you been?
Hey Meg, I'm all right. And you?
Hey there. What's up?
Hi, nothing much. Good to see you.
Now, let us look at some useful phrases or expressions that we can learn from these conversations and use in our everyday life. So listen and repeat after me so that you can practice pronunciation as well. So let's begin with different ways of asking, how are you? How are you? How are you? Another way of asking this question would be, how have you been? How have you been? How have you been? How are you doing? How are you doing? Notice are and you are spoken together and a little quickly. How are you doing? Are you? How are you doing? And if you are meeting your friends or if it is a casual conversation, then you can say, hey there, what's up? What's up? Hey there, what's up? Now let us look at how we can answer this question, how are you? So a polite and formal way of answering this question would be, I'm very well, thank you. So notice I and am are spoken together and quickly. I'm very well, thank you. I am very well, thank you. I'm very well, thank you. If someone asks you, how are you doing? You can say, I'm doing well, thank you. Notice once again, I and am are spoken together. I'm doing well, thank you. Another way of answering the question, how are you or how have you been, could be, I'm all right. And rather than repeating the question, how are you, you can say, and you? I'm all right. And you? And if it is a casual conversation and someone asks you, what's up? You can say nothing much if nothing exciting is happening in your life. If you're meeting someone for the first time, then you can always say, hi, pleased to meet you, or nice to meet you. And if you're meeting someone after a long time, then you can say, good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. So hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to practice these expressions till you become absolutely confident. And if you are new here, then consider subscribing and don't forget to press the bell icon next to it so that you do not miss any of our latest videos. So that's all for now. See you again.